Alright everybody, we are outside this medical office building owned by Wellspan Health here in Ephrata, Pennsylvania. And we have two elevators to check out here. Now there used to be only one, but about a couple years ago this place went under a heavy renovation, especially here in this lobby area, and they added a second elevator. So we're going to take a look at both elevators. Here's the newly added one. It's got innovation buttons. We'll see who installed this. It's got a fan, unfortunately. Another Lancaster elevator installation. Go up to 3. Three. Back down to 1. Door close button works. Kind of our basic hospital sized elevator. It's kind of nice though. Capacity is 4,500. This is elevator number 2. Wonder what that's for, that blue hospital service key switch. These are new innovation buttons, innovation universal. Lancaster elevator. You're back at 1. So that was the newly added on elevator at this medical office center. Now if I come over here for wheelchairs, and here's the original elevator. This one's got Jetplus. Here it is. Okay, like I said, this one's the original elevator when this building was built. And this one, I believe, is another Lancaster elevator. Yep, Lancaster elevators. Go up to 3. There's a desk out there. Door 3. Got the basement. Do like that bell too, sounds interesting. Looks a lot like the other elevator, except this one's smaller. Capacity on this one is 3,500. There's your certificate. This older one installed in 2007. These are your GL Jetplus buttons, your key card reader. Links your elevators, your floor indicator, and you're in the basement. Surprised this floor is unlocked. Normally it's locked off. Basement. And I'll go back up to 1 and end the video. Watch button go out. Here at 1. Alright. Watch this elevator close up. Now, like I said, this elevator right here was the original elevator when this building was built in 2007. And this one right here was added on at a later date. I believe, according to records, this elevator here was installed in 2020, but I'm not 100% sure. Anyways, those were 2 Lancaster elevators at this medical office building just outside Ephrata, Pennsylvania. And all I can say is now, that will be it.